Hi, my name is Courtney Grady, and this is my trip to Trentino Alto Adige. So, as you can see in the first picture in the red highlighted area, is this region which is located between the border of Switzerland and Austria. And the three major cities that I traveled to was Trento, Bolzano, and Murano, as you can see, which are circled right in these three areas. So Trento, when we went there, it was very beautiful, had many different beautiful architectures and scenery. In Bolzano, it was more of a natural state where we went. We saw beautiful mountains and scenery as well as the beautiful architecture. And then Murano had the beautiful landscapes, as you can see in the upper right hand picture, shows the family's farms, which was very pretty to see. And then what is Trentino Alto Adige famous for? They are famous for their dessert strudels and tarts. As you can see here, this is one of the beautiful and amazing desserts we had, the Italian apple strudel. And then we saw famous attractions, which they are famous for going skiing at Alta Badia. And that was one of the places we went, as well as where are some other places to go. So we went to Marmolada, which is a over 10,000 foot mountain located between Trentino and Veneto, which served as a border between countries in World War I. Next, we went to Prager Wildsee, which is located in South Tyrol, Italy, which is a 118 foot deep lake and next to a mountain range. Next is Fassa Valley in Trentino, Italy, which is home to the Latin community. Next was the Borgo Valsugana, located in this region. It was one of Europe's first major transit roads. And then we went to Pisbo, which is one of the tallest mountains in the Stella group of mountains, being at over 10,000 feet tall. Next, while you were there, if you're there in June, you would be able to see the St. Figlio Festival, which happens every year in Trentino. And in this festival, you can see different fashion shows and historical events that show the history and the fashion of the towns. Then I know we were hungry during this trip, so we went to some of these restaurants. And the first one was Les Deux Spades, which is a more casual place which serves typical foods such as fish, pasta, cheeses, and desserts. Next night, we went to the Locanda Margon, which serves more gourmet dishes like the Trentino dumplings. And then lastly, we went to the Jasmine restaurant, which serves gourmet dishes. Now, all the restaurants we went to while we were there were trattoria restaurants, and they were very delicious. And then here's my works cited. Hope you enjoyed my little video about my trip.